Before taking omega-3 krill oil, it's important to consult your pharmacist or physician. Omega-3 krill oil is often used to lower cholesterol and triglycerides, and to treat heart disease. It may also be used for other conditions as determined by your doctor. If you experience any side effects from using omega-3 krill oil, it's important to consult with your pharmacist or physician. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Seek advice from your pharmacist or doctor. Remember to consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking omega-3 krill oil. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them ensure that omega-3 krill oil is safe for you to take with your other medications. Omega-3 krill oil is used to treat high levels of certain blood fats. It is also used for heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, cancer, osteoarthritis, depression, premenstrual syndrome, and rheumatoid arthritis. The typical daily dosage is 1 to 3 grams. It is best to take omega-3 krill oil with meals to help with absorption. If someone has taken too much omega-3 krill oil and is experiencing severe symptoms such as loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Narration: Omega-3 krill oil is a supplement that contains fatty acids which are important for our body. It is often used to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function. The recommended dosage for adults is 1 to 3 grams per day, and it is best to take it with a meal to improve absorption. Many people take it in the morning with breakfast or in the evening with dinner. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement. Seek advice from your pharmacist or doctor. Be sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication. It's important to properly dispose of any expired or unused medication. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this safely. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.